Ble awn ni? Ble awn ni? Yn y gogledd, you might hear lle awn ni. Where will we go? Awn ni I... We will go to... Awn ni I Aberystwyth. Awn ni I Gymru. Awn ni I Ffrainc. Awn ni I Gaeredin. Notice our treiglad meddal after E there. Awn ni I Gymru and Gaeredin, which is of course Edinburgh. Awn ni gyda ffrindiau. Awn ni gyda'r trên. That means we will go on the train. Awn ni gyda Jen a Dewi. Awn ni gyda'r plant. Prynon ni docynnau ar-lein. Prynon ni docynnau ar-lein. You're going to see a few examples of this un ending in these patterns that we show you. We will buy tickets online. Prynon ni. Here's another one. Ymwelwn ni ag oriel. Ymwelwn ni ag oriel. We will visit a gallery. Yfwn ni win coch bob nos. Yfwn ni win coch bob nos. We will drink red wine every night. Gwelwn ni opera neu gyngerdd os oes amser 'da ni. Gwelwn ni opera neu gyngerdd os oes amser 'da ni. You might hear a few variations of this around the country. You might hear mi welwn ni at the beginning there, and you might hear os gynnon ni amser. Os gynnon ni amser, if we have time. Mi welwn ni opera neu gyngerdd os gynnon ni amser. We will see an opera or a concert if we have time. Cerddwn ni o gwmpas y ddinas. Cerddwn ni o gwmpas y ddinas. We will walk around the city. Siaradwn ni Ffrangeg gyda'r pobl leol. Siaradwn ni Ffrangeg gyda'r pobl leol. We will speak French with the local people. Nofiwn ni yn yr afon ac yn y môr hefyd. Nofiwn ni yn yr afon ac yn y môr hefyd. We will swim in the river and in the sea as well. Bwytwn ni frecwast yn y gwesty. Bwytwn ni frecwast yn y gwesty. Again, in a gogledd, you might hear mi fwytwn ni. We will eat with that little me at the beginning. That me, by the way, doesn't mean anything in and of itself. It causes a treiglad, but it tends to be kept in the sentence a little bit more up in North Wales. Mi fwytwn ni frecwast yn y gwesty. We will eat breakfast in the hotel. Teithio ni dros y penwythnos. Teithio ni dros y penwythnos. We will travel over the weekend. Arhoswn ni mewn bwthyn yn y cefn gwlad. This is an interesting word. The word aros, to stay or to wait, becomes arhos when we put an ending on that verb. Sometimes these verb stems, as we call them, do change by the addition of an H or sometimes the change of a vowel in the middle of the word. Arhoswn ni mewn bwthyn yn y cefn gwlad. We will stay in a cottage in the countryside. Fwytwn ni ddim yn y gwesty. Notice here, now we're in a negyddol, we're in the negative. We've got our treiglad at the beginning of the brawddeg. Fwytwn ni ddim yn y gwesty. We will not eat in the hotel. Ble ewch chi dros yr haf? Ble ewch chi dros yr haf? Again, you might hear lle ewch chi dros yr haf yn y gogledd. Where will you go over the summer? Awn ni I Gymru I aros gyda ffrindiau. Again, here's our treiglad. Awn ni I Gymru. And you might have efo instead of gyda. And of course, you might have that me at the beginning. Mi awn ni I Gymru I aros efo ffrindiau. We will go to Wales to stay with friends. Awn ni ddim i'r amgueddfa tro yma. Awn ni ddim i'r amgueddfa tro yma. We won't go to the museum this time. So with this pattern, we're using this future tense, will, I will do something, and we've used awn ni, we will go. And we've noticed that when we put that ending on other verbs, we still have that wn ending there, that we can say we'll do other things, prynon ni, and so on. Have a practice. Again, write some sentences, send me a postcard if you fancy, through email or however. I think this is a really useful pattern actually, and one that perhaps doesn't get used as much as we might want to. The other thing to remember is, although there are some variations between a gogledd and a de, the north and the south, I do think that they are often overstated. I haven't gone into exhaustive detail in this course with all the differences that you might hear regionally, but I would love to hear what versions you use, so please do let me know. Hwyl am y tro!